Hi guys, this is Sam from uberdrivernow.com. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to cash out your earnings in the Lyft Driver app. When you open up the Lyft Driver app, this is the screen that you will see. Tap on the earnings at the bottom right here. You tap on earnings. It's going to show you what the balance is in your Lyft account. Make sure you have your payment set up in settings, and it has to be a debit card. Once you have that set up, all you're going to simply do is, and you need to have a minimum of $5 in your Lyft app that you've earned, and then you can simply tap on get paid, and it's going to tell you what it comprises of. There was like a $1 tip right there. They're going to take out 50 cents. Deduct 50 cents from your every time you express pay yourself. That's their charge, 50 cents. Make sure that you have your debit card set up. I have my Visa card set up right here. You can set it up by tapping on that edit Visa, and you can put in any debit card, but when you do change it, just make sure that it will take anywhere from 3 to 5 business days for it to take effect. So be careful with that, because if you need the money right away, and if you change your debit card, you might not get it right away. Alright, let's tap on confirm deposit, and there you go. That's all there is to it. Hope you guys like this video, and go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.